Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how we can install Python in macOS and Linux machines. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened python.org and this is the official Python website. Okay, so if you are on macOS, what you can do, you can just click on download and download the Python here as well. But what I will recommend to use Homebrew. Okay, so you have to install Homebrew in your machine by running this command inside of your terminal. Okay, and then after that, what you have to do, you have to run this command brew update and then brew install Python, and the Python should install in your macOS machine. Okay, so let's see what exactly is the version currently right now. So if I just hover over this downloads button, so as you can see, at the point of recording, the current Python version is 3.14.4. Okay, so what you can do something like brew install python @ 3.14. Okay, and that will install Python version 3.14 into your machine. Okay, so after you have done that, you should have Python installed in your macOS machine. If you are using a Linux machine, there is a high probability that Python is already installed into your machine. If not, then what you have to do, you have to just search for install Python in your Linux distribution. For me, it is Arch Linux. So as you can see, Python is already installed here. Okay, but if not, then what you can do something like this to update your machine, basically update all of the packages, and after that you can do something like sudo pacman-s python. If you are in Ubuntu, you have to use apt and so on and so forth. Okay, so after you have done everything properly, so what should happen, if you just open up your terminal, I am using Ghosty. Okay, so if I just close this one and if I just increase the font size a little bit, so if I just type python 3 -- version, you should have a proper version. If you are getting some sort of an error, just copy paste that error into Google and you should have your proper solution. Also, please mention your operating system as well. One other thing which we will need in the later part of our course is pip. Okay, so when you install Python, it should automatically be installed into your machine. I believe when you install Python by using Homebrew inside of macOS, it will automatically installed. If not, then what you have to do, you have to install pip as well. So let's do a quick Google search. Install pip in macOS Homebrew. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, it should automatically be installed. In case of Linux, it is a little bit complicated because, for example, in my machine, I did not have pip. Okay, so I have to install this particular package, python-pip. Okay, so if you are in Arch Linux, so you can use pacman. If you are in Ubuntu or some Debian based distribution, you can use apt as well. Okay, awesome. So after installing pip, it should be running properly. So pip 3 -- version. Okay, if I just enter that, as you can see, I am getting pip version 26.1.1 from this path basically, and it is showing the Python version as well, which is 3.14. okay, or 3.14 currently right now. So in this way, we can install Python into our macOS or our Linux machine. Okay, in the next video, we will install Python in our Windows machine. Okay, awesome. In case if you are having some sort of an error, you can write your error inside of the comment section as well. Okay, awesome.